Hi everyone, welcome to ATL Marathon 2021. I am Likith Kumar.
And I am Sainirnay. India is home to one of the largest educational systems of the world. It has more than 250 million enrollments in over 1.4 million schools. However, reading, writing, and arithmetic are assumed to be the essential skills for ensuring a successful future in terms of higher education, career, and life.
So, we need to equip students with a new extended skill set as identified by partnership of 21st century skills so that they can apply their academic learning innovatively into new situations for overcoming day-to-day challenges in their lives and in the society.
Our app, Edify, a scenario-based app, focuses on training students by making them solve real-life scenarios categorized under different 21st century skills. Through this app, the thinking behavior of the students can be changed so that they can handle challenges in their life.
When the app is opened, it asks the school to register. The school's registration data is stored in the Firebase database. After the registration, the school can log in into the app. The students can register by entering their names and classes. Based on the class, a quiz will be opened. The quiz has two levels. In the first level, 6 skills are listed. Under each skill, 2 scenarios are presented along with options. The best option will be given the highest score and the worst option will be given the least score. Once a skill is selected, scenarios will be displayed. When a student selects an option, the score will be updated. The student needs to solve different scenarios under each skill. After completing level 1, the total score will be displayed. Then the student can move to level 2. In level 2, two scenarios will be displayed, wherein the student has to analyze the given information, use different skills to solve the scenarios and write the answer. The app analyzes the answer and gives the score accordingly. If the student crosses more than 50%, a certificate will be generated displaying the student's name, class, and his school name for the successful completion of the quiz.
Thank you.